Hi, I wanted to show you how I'm stain protecting my furniture, as I know it can be quite expensive to get it professionally done. So just before I jump into doing the actual stain protecting step, I would recommend just cleaning the surface beforehand. So maybe just get a light solution of Wool-Lite in some warm water and just dab the areas where there may be any marks or stains, and then just dust the area or vacuum it. I just, kind of went over it with a little with some fabric and just made sure there were no crumbs or anything dirty after I did the stain removal step. Then after that, I would recommend putting some paint-friendly tape on the areas that you don't want exposed to the fabric protector spray, just so that it doesn't damage the paint or the surface in any way. So you can get, at any hardware store, you can get special tape to use on fabric and furniture. I did get this tape and plastic together just to make it a little easier when applying it, so that it has this plastic attached, so it protects the surrounding area, not just where the tape is. And I grabbed this from Walmart for about $5 or $6. So I just went around as best I could the areas that I want to protect from the spray. And in between here, I don't just have the tape on its own. I could have put that there, but what I'll do is when I apply the spray, I'll just quickly wipe down those areas to make sure, protect them as much as I can. Now, so the last step here is actually applying the fabric protector spray. So for this, I would recommend doing 2 light coats rather than trying to do 1 heavy coat and rushing through. I would also recommend, before applying it to your whole furniture, is to maybe do it on a hidden area, maybe in the back of the couch or somewhere where, just to test how it reacts to the fabric, and that the color, there's no negative effect on the color or on the fabric in any way. So when you're ready to actually apply the spray, just spray about 6 inches away from the surface, about half a foot, and do it in a slow sweeping motion. So just be kind of, very constant and consistent, just to get, the same amount of spray in each area, and you don't want to be too close or too fast. So about 6 inches away, and you can start spraying nice and slow. You can see that it's getting wet, and I would probably wait about an hour to do the next coat. So now that I've just done that back area, I am, as I said, just going to wipe these areas just to make sure that I can just kind of protect that space. So I will just go ahead and do the rest of the areas like that. I'll just do the whole area once, and then wait a couple hours just when it's dry, and then I'll do the second coat. And I did pull out the cushion separately, just so I can get all of the inside, do the back, and then all areas of the cushion. And this fabric protector spray of Scotchgard is about $8 or $9, so it's very, very inexpensive. You probably need one of these, and you could do, I think, definitely both of these pieces, and maybe this third piece as well. I'll just have to see, but definitely you can do 2 full coats with just this one bottle, and you can probably go a little bit further. So about $8 or $9. I would recommend getting the tape just to protect the other areas, and you'll be able to protect your furniture. I would also lastly just add, this is not protecting it forever, so you should probably do this process annually, if not twice a year, to really make sure that the fabric is protected, because it will over time kind of wear off. So just do this, maybe an annual cleaning, or twice a year would be great. Okay, thanks, bye.